Hello students, the topic for today's lecture is banking. What is the concept of banking? Basically, we'll deal in the introduction of the banking. So, a bank is a financial institution which deals with the debits and the credits. It also accepts and deposits money, builds the gap between the lenders and the borrowers. Banks are not only dealing with the money but are also the producers of the money. So, now we'll deal about the concept. The lack of transferability of the goods and services was confusing at the time of the barter system, which brought the currency into the existence to measure in terms of exchange. Everyone uses money. We work for it, think about it, and we all want it. The growth and the creation of the money was not tangible, while it was the way to get the things we need and we desire. Banks have come all the way from the temples to the current world with no change in the basic business practice, that is to provide loans to one who needs and protects depositors' money. The development of the economy of the country is through all the sections of the society, but due to the illiteracy and the unawareness of the technology usage, the growth of economy is lagging. With the advent of the globalization, the banking sector has improved its services in response to the increase in the competitive pressure and the demand for the economic growth. Now, these are the definitions which have been given by different authors. First definition is given by Walter Leaf, that is, he defined a bank is a person or a corporation which holds itself out to receive from the people deposits payable on demand by the check. Then, Horace White defined bank as a manufacturer of credit and a machine for facilitating exchange. Then, Professor Kinley defined bank as a bank is an establishment where individuals make advances of money as may be required and safely made, and to which individuals entrust money when not required by them for use. The Companies Act of the India defines bank as a bank is a financial institution which accepts money from the public for the purpose of lending or investment repayable on demand or otherwise withdrawal by the checks, drafts or order or otherwise. Then R.P. Kent defined bank is a financial institution which acts as an intermediary and deals in loans and advances. P.S. Samuelson defined bank provides service to its clients and in turn receive prerequisites in the different forms. Then V. Hawke defined bank is an institution which creates money by money only. Then Sir John Paget defined bank is a such financial institution which collects money in current, savings or fixed deposit accounts, collects checks as deposit and pays money from the depositor account through the checks. Next, the Indian Company Law 1936 defines bank as a banking company which receives deposit through current or any other forms and allows withdrawal through checks and promissory notes. Thank you.